I got to know the organization and the community itself. And I was really impressed by the questions that were being posed and the members of the community who are willing to kind of ask themselves those tough questions and to question what roles they play with their philanthropy, with their investing, with their other activities. And I was drawn to join that push.
And what have been your biggest takeaways so far of the event here at the New York Stock Exchange?
And I think pinpointing some of those deeper systemic issues that we're facing and kind of these converging crises that are happening today. And one in particular that I think is important to me is the concentration of wealth in the hands of the few and the system that is designed to perpetuate that current state of affairs. And those of us who have benefited from that system of capitalism, of wealth accumulation, have an important role to play in trying to upend those structures. A term that I learned today that I think is very compelling, a well-being economy. So economy that works for everyone and not having either one extreme or another, but really having a society where everyone can thrive and be resilient and have a good quality of life.
How important is the role of the NYSE in leveraging capitalism to make a big difference in the world, to make an impact?
I think it's an important question, right? I think the NYSE is obviously an important tool and mainly, even more so a symbol of capitalism. Looking at the state of the world today, capitalism has brought us lots of benefits, but also has led to this stark inequality where, the 1% have more wealth than the bottom 90% of people. And the NYSE has a role to play in reshaping what the world of tomorrow can look like and asking those questions. And I think that's why it's interesting and compelling for Global to be here today, because it is the world that we live in now. Capital markets are an important lever, and how can we use those levers to change things for the better for everyone?
Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.